It is day 44 of protests and farmers are taking out several tractor marches today. The tractor rally against farm laws started from Ghaziabad in Uttar Pradesh towards Palwal in Haryana. The protesting farmers from all Delhi borders are converging on the eastern and western peripheral expressways for their 20-kilometer long march. More tractors are arriving from Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan to Tikri and Singhu border. The farmers are mobilizing for the big agitation which is expected to take place on 26th of January. The tractor march comes a day ahead of another round of talks with the government. More than 40 farm unions are protesting against the 3 farm laws that have been passed by the government along with Delhi's border. They have met senior central ministers about 8 times, but the meetings have not resolved any of their differences. Meanwhile, the apex court has expressed concerns over the coronavirus situation at the farmers' protests. CJI S.A. Bobde, presiding the bench, hearing the matter, asked Solicitor General Tushar Mehta as to whether precautionary measures were even being taken.
कल बातचीत होनी है आपकी।
हाँ, तो बातचीत
आज आप लोग इस तरीके से
तो क्यों नहीं कर सकते? बातचीत होगी तो उसकी 26 तारीख की भी तो तैयारी करनी है ना हमें। भाई 26 तारीख से लोग ट्रैक्टर रैलियां निकाल लेंगे, 26 तारीख को दिल्ली में परेड में शामिल होंगे, तो ट्रैक्टर कैसे लाइन में चलेंगे? तो ये व्यवस्था बनानी पड़ती है सारी।
तो ये व्यवस्था बनाई जा रही है। यहाँ से आप लोग निकल रहे हैं केएमपी की तरफ, कहाँ तक जाएंगे?
ये आगे जाएंगे केएमपी पर, उस पर वो चलेंगे हम। हाँ, चलेंगे आगे तक।
अलग अलग जो बॉर्डरों से है इसी तरीके से जत्था निकला है।
हाँ।
तो ये तो आज की बात हो गई। आगे जब आप 26 जनवरी की बात कर रहे हैं, तिरंगा भी आपके पास है, किसानों का झंडा भी है, तो ये दोनों झंडे अब आगे इसी तरीके से साथ
यही रहेंगे। फ्रंट पे यही झंडा रहेगा। अब तिरंगा 1 लाख झंडे का ऑर्डर दे रहे हैं हम कि 1 लाख झंडे लोगों को देंगे और अब अपने उस पर तिरंगा झंडा 26 तारीख तक ये लग जाए सबके पास में, और जो भी ट्रैक्टर अब चलेंगे वो तिरंगे के साथ में 26 जनवरी में शामिल होंगे।
देखिए, हर लोकतंत्र में शांतिपूर्ण तरीके से अपना प्रदर्शन करना, शक्ति प्रदर्शन करने का सबको अधिकार है, किसी को कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं होना चाहिए, ना हमें है। जहाँ तक सवाल है किसानों का, किसानों के मामले में सरकार बहुत साफ नीयत के साथ, बहुत ही साफ सुथरी नीयत और नीति के साथ आगे काम कर रही है। किसानों का हित हमारे लिए सर्वोपरि था, हमारे लिए सर्वोपरि है, हमारे लिए सर्वोपरि रहेगा। और जो सरकार, मोदी जी की सरकार जिस दिन से आई है उस दिन से हमारी प्राथमिकता रही है मेरा गांव, मेरा देश, मेरा खेत, मेरा खलिहान, उसके सशक्तिकरण और किसानों को मजबूती देना, कृषि प्रधान देश को कृषक प्रधान देश बनाना, आत्मनिर्भर कृषि के साथ साथ आत्मनिर्भर कृषक भी बनाना। इस दिशा में हमने आगे काम किया है। मोदी जी की सरकार आगे लगातार काम करती रहेगी।
Represents the resolve that they will not back out. We are on the Western Peripheral Expressway and the pictures that you see here, hundreds of tractors and dozens of farmers, somebody cycling right here. You can see this gentleman cycling all the way to the Tikri border, even as the Jatha of the Kisans has left Kundli. We can see that there are about 2,000 tractors that have left from the Singhu border. More than an hour of this journey now, and it's still going on. You can see the faces of these farmers, flags, messages, music, and everything that they've got. They put all the stakes in this fight, and they do believe that till they win this battle, they're not going anywhere. You can see on either side the Indian flag falling high right here in front of the tractor, right there the Tiranga, and just before the Republic Day, a message of a rehearsal that could surely send the government into a tizzy. क्या संदेश देना चाहते हैं सरकार को?
सरदार को कहना चाहते हैं जो 26 जनवरी आ रही है उससे पहले हम जो तो हमारे काले कानून है उसको रद्द कर दे, नहीं तो हम 26 जनवरी को एक ऐसी रैली निकालेंगे जिससे पंजाब भर में पूरे एकजुटता होगी, किसान जथेबंदियां इकट्ठा होकर लड़ाई लड़ेंगे। जब तक हमारे काले कानून रद्द नहीं होंगे हम छोड़ के नहीं जाने वाले, कहीं नहीं जाएंगे। हमारे बच्चे भी साथ हैं, बीबियां भी साथ हैं, माता भी साथ हैं, हम अपने परिवार नाल लेके आए हैं। जितना टाइम साडा लगूगा असीं ला के जावांगे।
The children, the family, everybody is completely backing them, even as these farmers march with their tractors. A big message to Delhi that they are not going to video journalist Sanjeev. This is Mosmi Singh in Delhi for India Today.
Ankit Tyagi and Aishwarya joining us live on this story. Firstly, let's take this across to my colleague Ankit Tyagi, who's standing by the KMP Expressway at the moment. Ankit, I'm going to throw straight across to you. This is just a cry for help coming in from the farmers' side. They are not being heard. 8 rounds of talks have taken place. No headway has been made. What is the plan of action from the farmers? What are their grievances? If I could just throw straight across to you for more on that.
You know, as we are riding this tractor, and right now the rally more or less over, but all these tractors who had come, and there are few which are following us as well, as you can see all around, with that flag of the Bharatiya Kisan Union. Right now, what is happening, is that wherever these tractors had come from, tractors which came from Ghazipur are going back to Ghazipur. The tractors which came from Palwal, other adjoining areas, have come back, are going back to that place. But the farmers have been saying that this is a very significant trailer for the government to see. Tomorrow is the tomorrow is possibly for them the last opportunity where the farmers feel some sort of a breakthrough should come across. Now, the farmers have been saying that if the government does not, if there is no, some sort of breakthrough as far as the talks are concerned, then this trailer is going to be a bigger rally. And on 26 January, they are going to, in fact, make sure that 10,000 tractors are ready to storm the national capital. I will just ask this young man who is, in fact, driving this tractor, which I'm riding right now. कहाँ से हो आप?
हम मोदनगर से हैं, किनापुर से गाँव किनापुर।
क्या खेती करते हो?
ईख की, गन्ने की, धान की। हाँ, धान।
सरकार कह रही है गन्ने की खेती के लिए तो बहुत सारा हमने पैसा भी दिया है, तो फिर क्यों ट्रैक्टर लेके यहाँ पर आए हो आप?
कोई नहीं दिया, कुछ नहीं दिया, सरकार झूठ बोल रही है।
अब ट्रैक्टर जो रैली निकाली है आज, इससे क्या आप लोग संदेश देना चाहते हैं?
हम ये दें कि ये किसान एकता है और इसको वह फूट ना डालें। ये यूनिटी पावर है किसानों की।
और अगर कल बातचीत में कुछ हल नहीं निकलता तो फिर क्या आगे?
फिर आगे और रैलियां निकालेंगे, समय समय पर बदलती जाएंगी। आज यहाँ तक है, कल वहाँ तक, दिल्ली तक, फिर संसद भवन तक। इतने 26 जनवरी को हमारा तिरंगा भी फैलेगा, वहाँ भी हम हिस्सा लेंगे।
बाबू जी, आप कहाँ से आए?
किनापुर से आए।
आप भी साथ में ही हैं सबके?
हाँ, सबके साथ में है किसान।
सुबह कितने बजे निकले थे घर से?
सुबह निकले 6 बजे घर से।
सरकार कहती है कि किसानों को तो अभी भी बरगला रहे हैं, हम तो बातचीत भी कर रहे हैं।
हाँ जी, बरगला रहे हैं, हमें कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है, हम परेशान हैं इस वजह से।
परेशान है?
हम परेशान।
आप यंग आदमी हो, खेती करते हो?
हाँ जी।
कितनी खेती है तुम्हारी?
30।
जमीन कितनी है?
30 बीघा।
30 बीघा जमीन है। क्या उगाते हो?
जी, गन्ना, गेहूं, धान और मुंजी।
तो अब जो अगर कल बातचीत में सफलता नहीं मिलती, मगर कानून वापस नहीं होते हैं, तो फिर क्या होगा आगे?
कल मीटिंग हुई थी, उसमें कुछ नहीं हुआ। सरकार ने बोल दिया कि ऐसा हो जाएगा, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं हुआ। 3 कानून सरकार ने लागू किए हैं, वो बिल्कुल काले कानून है। उससे कुछ फायदा होने वाला नहीं है किसानों को।
नुकसान क्या होगा?
उससे नुकसान ही नुकसान है। सरकार जो अपने 3 कानून ये लागू करे, इन्हें अपने किसानों के ऊपर से वापिस करे, अपने पास करे। इन्हें जो किसान की मांग है वो उन्हें पूरा करे।
They're firm. It's been rains, it's been cold weather, but all these farmers are firm. If the government doesn't take these laws back, they are only going to increase their agitation. Shayati, back to you.
Absolutely, that is amply clear from the various reactions that we're getting from the farmers. Ankit Tyagi with that ground report right there from the KMP Expressway. We will keep going back to him for more updates on the story. Aishwarya Paliwal also joins us live. Aishwarya, it is amply clear from the reactions that Ankit also got at the moment from the farmers that if the government does not listen into their pleas, if the government does not roll back the 3 farm laws, which they are not convinced about, the agitation that we're seeing at the moment is just a preview and it is only going to intensify going forward, Aishwarya.
Definitely, Jyoti, this is what farmers are saying. They are saying if the government does not pay heed to what they have to say, they will come out in even larger numbers. In fact, I have someone with me.
नगर से आए जी, बोरा कला गाँव है।
आप किस चीज की खेती करते हैं?
हम गन्ने की भी करते हैं, गेहूँ की भी, मुंजी की भी।
अच्छा, तो आपको क्या लगता है ये फार्म लॉ से क्या दिक्कत होगी?
इससे हमें दिक्कत ये होगी, स्टॉक अगर किसी का सीमा ही समाप्त हो जाएगी, पूंजीपति भंडारण हमें किसानों
We'll re-establish that connection right there to Aishwarya at the moment, and taking this straight across to Ankit as well. Ankit, from the reactions that you're bringing, it is only amply clear that this is just a preview. The entire film is yet left, because, you know, this is a tractor rally that they're doing today. They will intensify their agitation further. In fact, on 26th of January, they've also planned a massive rally. So unless and until the two key demands on the MSP, which is the legal guarantee for minimum support pricing, and the repealing of the farm laws does not happen, this agitation is here to stay, Ankit.
You know, Chaiti, largely, if you see, there is a lot of mistrust as far as the farmers are concerned and with the government. And you can't just blame the Modi government for it. It has been successive governments which have failed the farmers, is the feeling which has gone to the very core as far as the farmers are concerned. Now, what they have been saying, that the government has been giving them dates after dates. There have been 8 rounds of talks. There was a breakdown for 21 days. The talks re-established at the last fag end of December. There has been 2 rounds of talks from December now, in fact, to January as well. Tomorrow is another round of talks which is going to take place. The farmers feel the government is not seriously discussing how to repeal these laws. Meanwhile, on the other hand, the government says that they are ready to talk, but they are not ready to repeal the laws. They are ready to have discussion on every clause as far as the farmers is concerned. It's more or less a Mexican standoff, where the government and the farmers have dug in their heels. The problem, Chaiti, is as soon and as far as we are now going closer to 26 January, how long can the government afford the farmers on the borders of the national capital? The fact is, today the Supreme Court also asking what are the COVID protocols which are being followed. There are so many farmers here. And apart from that, we also need to understand that the farmers, the longer they stand in harsh winter, in the hailstorm and the rains which have been battering them, and even after, despite that, if they are standing there every passing day, there are farmers dying, and that is gaining them a lot of sympathy. The public sympathy will shift towards the farmer. Can the government afford, with their massive PR exercise, to try and convince this farmer, which they have failed so far in the last 41 days? That's going to be the moot question. And if the talks don't
the actions that are coming in from the farmers at the moment as well, in terms of the fact that the government says that we are ready to provide certain amendments to these 3 farm laws and come and meet us midway and try to understand what we're trying to say. What do the farmers have to say about the different kind of outreach and the different kind of explanations that the government has tried to give and offered them amendments as well?
I don't think that has gone down as far as the farmers are concerned. I mean, if the government would have successfully been able to make the farmers understand their point of view, this confrontation would have ended. As I was saying, it's a Mexican standoff right now. The government says we won't repeal the laws. The farmers say we won't take anything less than these 3 laws being repealed. सरकार पिछले 30 दिनों में, कम से कम पिछले 20 दिनों में, मोदी जी लगातार रोज ही बात करते हैं, रोज ही कहते हैं कि आपकी भलाई के लिए लॉस बनाए गए हैं. तो ऐसा क्यों है कि आप लोगों को मोदी जी की बात पे यकीन नहीं आ रहा?
हमारे लिए वो बनाए नहीं है, वो दूसरों के लिए बनाए, उद्योगपतियों के लिए बनाए गए हैं कानून. वो हमारे लिए नहीं बनाए गए. उनको फायदा होगा, हमारा कोई फायदा नहीं होगा.
वो तो कह रहे हैं कि आपके लिए ऑप्शन बनाए जा रहे हैं, और अभी इतने दिनों से कानून पिछले कई महीनों से आ चुका है. एक भी ऐसा किसान नहीं जिसकी जमीन चली गई हो.
अरे अभी तो नहीं गई, लेकिन चली जाएगी. उसकी क्या गारंटी है कि नहीं जाएगी?
एमएसपी पर वो लिख के देने को तैयार है कि आप एमएसपी ले लीजिए, लिख के दे देंगे.
20 दिन से सरकार तैयार है. 20 दिन से सरकार क्या बोल रही है कि किसानों के लिए कुछ करेंगे. 42 दिन तो किसानों को सड़कों पे पड़े हुए होंगे. 42 दिन से किसान सड़कों पे पड़े हैं अपनी मांग के लिए. अगर उनके 20 दिन में मांग क्लियर हो जाए तो अपने घर नहीं होते, वे यहाँ पे क्यों होते किसान?
So as I was telling you, there is a lot of mistrust. And also this whole written guarantee that the government is now planning to give. The farmers say there is nothing called a written guarantee. Give it in a law. What if the government changes tomorrow? Who will be held responsible if the incoming government does not uphold what the outgoing government has done?
Right. Ankit, stay with us. Aishwarya also is with us. Aishwarya, to let this huge group of farmers, say about 100,000 farmers, also out on the Republic Day parade and to join the army parade, can the government really afford that? Can the government really allow that? It seems like there is going to be a fair amount of turmoil inevitable going forward. Taking this straight across to Ankit. Ankit, on Republic Day, they plan to join in the army parade. The government needs to brace itself for that, given that inevitably there will be turmoil that will follow, and as this agitation intensifies going forward.
Chatty, one thing is clear as day. The government cannot afford this entire agitation to carry on till 26th of January. We have to give the credit to the farmers that in the last 41 days they have been peaceful. There hasn't been any incident of violence or of any kind of hooliganism as far as the farmers are concerned. Yes, people are being inconvenienced because of the borders which have been blocked across the national capital. But the fact is, government under no circumstances can let this fester till 26 January. The problem also is that the patience of the farmers is running out. And while it may give an opportunity for the government to try and use force to clear them if the farmers act in haste, the fact is the kind of entrenchment, the kind of colonies that we have now seen, temporary colonies being established at the Singhu border, Tikri border, at the Ghazipur border, on Palwal, it won't be easy to use force and evict them. The only way is talks and discussion, and for the government possibly to come out with certain more concessions if they want this to be cleared out before January 26th.
Oh, absolutely. Given the cold wave in North India, the thunderstorms, the rainfall, in such so many impediments, the farmers continue their agitation, and very peaceful agitation right there. We're getting you live shots of the tractor rally at this point of time. This is a day before the government-farmer talks. Ankit Tyagi with that exclusive ground report.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.